Hi, hello, namaste, welcome back to my channel, Nruthyamrutha. I'm Amrutha Sankar. So guys, as you have requested, I'm posting the footworks of all the 4 steps which we have seen in the tutorial 2 and tutorial 3. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So for the first step, we'll be putting our hands on the waist and we'll be in the bending position, and we'll be tapping our first right leg, 1, then 2, we'll be into standing position, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's see the second step. For the second step, we'll be into the bending position. There will be no standing position in this step. So 1, we'll be stretching our leg. This leg should be in the bending position, which means the left leg should be in the bending position and right leg will be stretched forward with the heel touching the floor. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's see the third step, legs. We'll be in the V shape bending position, putting your right leg back, 1, where the toes, only the toes will be touching the floor, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To make it clear, I'm showing you the legs, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's see the fourth step legs, which is similar to the second step legs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So hope you guys understood the footwork better now than the before videos. So I'll be uploading this in an alternative way from now, where the footwork will be shown in a different video and the hands and the full part will be shown in a different video, so that it makes you more clear about what are you going to learn. So that's it guys, see you in next video, and that will be on Sunday. And please do like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit on the bell button